The Titanic. Just the name conjures up images of grandeur and tragedy. The unsinkable ship sank on its maiden voyage. This maritime disaster shocked the world. Over 1,500 souls perished in the icy waters of the North Atlantic. The date was April 14, 1912. This event continues to fascinate us. Mysteries and conspiracy theories abound. Were there darker forces at play? Let's delve into some of the most prevalent theories. Many people find it hard to accept the official explanation, an accident. How could a ship deemed unsinkable meet such a fate? This question has fueled countless theories. Some are more plausible than others. But are any of them true? Let's examine the evidence. We'll separate fact from fiction. One enduring theory involves American financier J.P. Morgan. Morgan owned the White Star Line. This was the company that operated the Titanic. The theory suggests that Morgan orchestrated the sinking, his alleged motive to eliminate his business rivals. These rivals, the theory posits, opposed the creation of the Federal Reserve. They were supposedly passengers on the Titanic. However, this theory doesn't hold water. Records show that Morgan himself was scheduled to sail on the Titanic. He cancelled at the last minute. The reason? Illness and pressing business matters in France. Furthermore, there's no evidence that his supposed rivals, men like Guggenheim, Strauss and Astor, opposed the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve wasn't even established until 1913, a year after the Titanic sank. Another popular theory involves a supposed insurance scam. This theory claims that the Titanic was never switched with its sister ship, the Olympic. The Olympic had been damaged in a previous accident. The theory suggests that the damaged Olympic was disguised as the Titanic. The plan was to deliberately sink the ship and collect insurance money. This theory, while intriguing, is also flawed. Insurance investigations at the time were thorough. They confirmed the Titanic's identity. More importantly, the Titanic's insurance wouldn't have covered the cost of the Olympic's damage. The payout wouldn't have been worth the risk. The Titanic's sinking was a tragedy of immense proportions. It's understandable that people search for explanations. Conspiracy theories offer a sense of order in the face of chaos. They provide someone or something to blame. However, the evidence points to a different conclusion. The Titanic sank due to a perfect storm of factors: excessive speed in icy waters, misinterpretations of iceberg warnings, a shortage of lifeboats. These factors, combined with human error and the unforgiving power of nature, led to the disaster. The Titanic's sinking stands as a stark reminder. Even the grandest of human creations are not invincible.